About 1 in 3 adults has a cluster of conditions that increases the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and stroke. But UT Health researchers are working to help lower the risk of developing chronic illness, enrolling participants in their Nourish Culinary Medicine Program.
Yeah, very interesting. So this study is led by Diana Guevara, a registered dietitian with the UT School of Public Health, here to tell us more. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank y'all for having me.
Thank you. So first, tell us, what is the goal of this Nourish Culinary Program?
Yes, so we're actually doing a research study to assess the effects of healthy cooking classes and kind of lifestyle, meditation, a little bit of physical activity to see how that affects your health, if that helps improve your health.
So hopefully it's just sort of changing some habits that we all get into, it sounds like, and really giving us a better idea of a picture of the lifestyle we should be leading.
Yes, absolutely. So we know that healthy eating and exercise, that's kind of the general advice, but it can be really confusing, especially with all of the misinformation out there. So really just taking it one step at a time, teaching the basics. We teach nutrition, we teach you how to make those vegetables and healthy food actually taste good, and then talk about the other lifestyle aspects of it too.
Okay, so this is running for a year?
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
How can people get involved in it?
Yes, absolutely. So it is, we have a website, it's tktrial.org, so tktrial.org. We are one of 4 sites, so if you want to see, we have some inclusion criteria to research studies. So if you've been told that you have a little bit of high cholesterol, high blood sugar, but not quite diabetes yet, there's a couple of different criteria. You can check the criteria, complete our pre-screener, and if you qualify, then we'll contact you and see if you're able to join. And we have 2 cohorts, so we have one starting in January and one in March.
So what is the hope of this? After a year, do you feel like you'll see some health improvements in all the participants?
Absolutely. I mean, we know that eating healthy, exercising, mindfulness, all of those pillars of lifestyle medicine really help reduce that risk for chronic disease and then help you just feel better in general. And so we're very hopeful that you'll feel great after.
So Diana, how hands-on is this? Will we be taking people in the kitchen, showing them how to chop and stir fry and all that?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
absolutely. So that's what makes it so fun. So we have 2 of the classes are in person at our teaching kitchen in the Texas Medical Center. So you'll be with us in a group. There's hopefully going to be about 20 in the class. So the first 2 classes in person, the rest will be virtual. So you actually get to cook at home and share those meals with your family. So it's really, really an exciting thing. And you really get to connect with all the other people trying to improve.
And I'm trying to picture the time commitment for this as well. How often are you meeting up?
Yes, so the first 4 months are weekly cooking classes. So it'll be about 2 hours every Thursday in the evening. So it's basically like you're making your dinner, but you're also learning a little bit. And then after that, it'll just be a monthly booster. So it's not a huge, I mean, it is a commitment, but it's not, you know, weekly for a year.
Hopefully enough to make you healthier.
Yeah, I was going to say, it's definitely going to pay off. And you mentioned meditation, which has incredible health benefits. So is that something that you will be walking people through as well, getting into that?
We'll talk about mindfulness and kind of little tidbits, nothing too crazy, but yeah, just kind of teaching the basics.
And it doesn't cost people anything?
No, and it's actually completely free. You'll get all the ingredients. You have to pick them up, but you get all the ingredients completely free. And then if you complete our, our surveys and whatnot, you get extra incentives like gift cards. We get a cast iron skillet, so lots of fun things. Yeah, it's a great opportunity.
Diana, thanks for coming in from UT Health and letting us know. Sign up, people. Let's get healthy for the new year.
Free 99 and some gift cards to boot. I love it. Thank you so much.